The cane have a time when the cane heal.
Okay.
You see from February, March,
Yeah.
April.
Yeah.
Whole heap of sugar you get.
Hey, how you do? Well, it's Gail here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you back in time. 18th century time. You know, sugar and sugarcane has been a feature of Jamaica's history. You really can't talk about Jamaica's history without talking about sugar and sugar production. And despite improving technologies and modernization, there's a gentleman way up in the hills of deep rural Westmoreland who does it the same way they did it 300 years ago. His name is Bugs. He makes wet sugar, we call it, from raw sugar cane. I am here. I'm excited to be here. And I'm going to show you around. Stay tuned. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Donkey, guys, donkey. A donkey or a horse? Mule. Oh, we're going this way. Ah, it's a mule. All right, look a little tasty. All right, excuse me, sir or mom. All right, guys, almost there, almost there. This looks like it. All right, sir, Bugs. Morning, 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 morning. Morning, sir. How you do? All right, guys. Well, I'm here. I'm in the little cane field. So this is the cane field. And for those who don't know sugar cane, this is sugar cane. All right, this is sugar cane, organically grown, nothing added or minus from it. And by the way, this is his yard. Outside is his house. All right, he grows the cane. This is his little business, you know. So these are obviously different types of canes. At some point, I'm gonna talk to him. But right now, I'm gonna capture his son or grandson. His son, right? He's the father, right? All right. So the cane, they already cut some of the cane earlier today, right? And there's the cane field. You can see more and more canes. All right. They cut them, lay them down, and now Pops is actually taking up some of the cane to bring it to the mill. All right, don't take too much that you can manage, Pop. All right. Good. So I'm gonna help take up a few here and bring it to the mill. All right. So has been wet the last couple of days, guys. A lot of rain, so that's why the place look a little soggy. I'm pretty sure. But this is the mill. This is the old time mill. Alright, so that's the mill. That's the horse. Alright, the horse goes around in a circle. And while is a mule or a horse? Mule. Right, so the mule is going around in a circle. Meanwhile, the men are actually feeding the machine with the cane, as you can see. All right, so it's going around. This is how it was done 300 years ago, guys. It's still being done now. It's probably the last of it. He's probably the last person, as far as I know, who is doing this kind of way. But this is not. This is good stuff. Good learning. All right, so there you go. All right, I'm gonna jump inside and talk to my brother. I also want to show you what Mr. Bugs is doing. He's actually catching the fire. So this is the boiler. This huge area here that the sugar, the juice, the sugar cane is poured into.
Yeah,
Poured into.
Strain out and
Strained and poured into to boil. All right, and then this is where the wood is placed under here and lit. Right. This is some of the wood here. So he's still doing that. All right, this is some huge. You can manage that, man. And then he's gonna light it and stuff. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So here you go. So this is again is the mule turning, spinning the machine, and what it's doing while it's moving around, it's squeezing the juice out and squeezing into a large container. All right, we're gonna talk a little bit more about that in a short while when Mr. Bugs comes back around. But this is how it works. This is how it works. Put your hand in over. Guys, so here we are, and I have Mr. Bugs now with me, and his son. This is Mr. Bugs here and his son. Alright, that's my brother in Gladstone. Alright, it's squeeze the cane, as you can see here. Alright, hello to the cock in the background. Squeeze the cane. The cane is fed into the machine. The juice is squeezed out. Alright, comes out in a gutter and then into a drum. Alright, and then what happens now? You strain it, Mr. Bugs?
Yeah, you strain it out, get it out and strain at the boiler.
And then you take it and you strain it into this one.
Yeah.
And then you bring it into the
boiler inside.
The boiler inside. Alright. Alright, so pouring it into the boiler. How many buckets will that hold, Mr. Brooks?
Oh, we threw up to 22.
22 buckets.
Actually 2 drum.
2 drum?
2 drum at 24.
Oh.
Okay, so you can train it in
okay, cool.
You can take a little more time for manufacture.
Yes.
The more you train, the more.
Alright, meanwhile the mule is still continuing to work. Alright, so again Mr. Bugs is taking cane juice. Cane juice, guys, from the drum, straining it into a smaller bucket. Yeah, as you can imagine, it's coming out with a lot of trash. Yeah, cane trash. So the process is that he's gonna boil the cane juice, right, Mr. Bugs?
Yes, sir.
And then what happened? And then
boil it to sugar.
Boil it, just boil it and turn to sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you the white lime. Yeah.
Oh, you put some more. So okay.
Yeah, man. If you don't put in it, no sugar can mix.
Okay, so you put a little white lime in it, whatever that is.
Yeah, the amount of liquid.
To the amount of liquid.
Yeah.
And that through the boiling process now, that converts it to sugar, wet sugar.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Take a couple of wheel.
How long does it
Like this drum and a half, now we take 10 hours.
10 hours.
Manufacture the sugar.
Yeah. Yeah. So we already talked about the process here. Cane is fed into the mill. The cane is squeezed. The juice is squeezed out into this heavy drum, this big drum. It's through a gutter, and then it's strained off and either drink or boil. In most cases, boil to turn to sugar. So I'm gonna be tasting. Alright, so I'm asking. Alright. So this is strained. So this is pure cane juice. Natural cane juice.
You want your ice in the know or what?
Yeah, we have the ice and you're good.
Or your ginger.
I'm a ginger. Yeah. Nice. How long you doing this thing, Mr. Bugs?
Oh, we were here from 71.
71.
I'm my father.
Before me born, man.
April we start 71.
You know, this is something that I think we have been doing for over 200 years, you know, right?
Yeah, man, the old time.
And this is the old time way.
Old.
Are you aware of anybody else in Jamaica who does it this way?
Not only me alone. No.
You alone? Boy, you're the last of the remaining group. I'm pretty sure there might be one or two, but you're probably the last. So.
And now we make the best sugar because we made the sugar with Demby right around it.
Oh, you milk sugar for Demby?
Yes, man. Number one and second, first and second prize of me.
Oh, eh? Oh, cool. So what you do? You mill it and bring it up there?
No, man, them come here for it. Them get man come here.
Oh. Nice. Love it, man. Love it.
But them have one come mill up and thing up there. You know, you ever go?
No, I don't know it.
Yeah, man, they have one come mill and then take a horse and do it.
Oh, okay.
You got two couple in the wall. They're not big like my own.
Yeah. I love it, man. I'm saying, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to capture this, because I understand that you're probably the last person in this, yeah, not just in this generation, probably in our lifetime, who is doing this, and so I appreciate. Yeah, man.
That's what I'm touching.
Yeah. And so I just want to big you up for the work that you do.
Yes,
I showcase what I call the real Jamaica, the culture, the heritage, the tradition, and so this fit right into that, my brother. Yeah. How long you intend to carry this on?
Huh?
How long you think you're going to continue with this?
Oh, maybe for the next 5 years. Life stays so long.
If life spare.
Yeah, maybe you won't see nothing more like this.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to see. So, but yes, I see a son here, man, who is helping out.
You're not going to manage it like me, man. You have to tough to manage this
work. You have to tough. So what you like about it, though? I mean, obviously it's something you like, right? You like doing it?
Yeah, man.
Why? What you like about it?
Oh, we drink the sugar, we eat the sugar, and we drink the cane juice. And we don't kill ourselves with it, but we take a sip.
Yeah, how big is the farm you have here with the cane? This is your cane
yes,
field?
Man, this is over, we have about 2.5 acres cane.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
And you what do you call it? You mill right through the year?
You see, when the cane season start,
the
cane have a time when the cane heal.
Okay.
You see, from February, March, April.
Yeah.
Whole heap of sugar you get.
Oh.
And the sugar boil quicker.
Okay.
Lesser water. It's sweeter.
Okay.
As much as it's sweeter now, it's still sweeter.
Still sweeter that time. Okay, cool. Let me ask you. I mean, I know we have a lot to do. Rain is upon us as well. When after you mill it, I see a lot of trash here. Yeah, man. What you
use the cane to try to manure the cane just as it
so nothing is wasted.
No, we take a look and catch the fire the first.
Oh, so you use it as wood. Use it as wood. Okay, as coal. Yeah. And you also use it to manure the thing. So nothing is wasted.
No, man.
All right, love it. Big up yourself, man. Keep working, man. I don't want to take a lot away from that.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, we're gonna have to do a part 2. The boiling process takes about 10 hours. And so Mr. Boogs is just about to start that. And so we're obviously going to have to come back to do that part 2. But I wanted to talk to him to get a perspective from him in terms of the business here and, and what it means to him,
Yeah, man.
So I assume this is what takes care of you and your family and, and your children and stuff.
Yeah, man, everybody.
Yeah, good. All right. And the horse is Mr. Boogs.
Yes, sir.
I mean, expensive, man, eh?
Them have deer and horse, man.
Oh, it's a mule.
Mule, man.
What's the difference?
But then tougher,
What's the difference?
It has nothing to do with the mule. The horse now is softer, but him some horse quick and quicker, but he don't have the power like the mule.
Oh, what's the difference between the horse and the mule?
You get the mule come from the horse, and this one the mother is a horse, But them put his jack to him, the donkey, the big.
Oh, so the mule, so the horse and the donkey.
Yeah,
mate.
Horse,
and you get the mule?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And then put the donkey now to the mare too.
Okay.
Yeah, you get the mule.
Okay.
And those are some big jack like some we always see from over south. Big and tall.
Yes.
All the man my friend somewhere down there. I saw many.
Okay.
No, I'm being transferring.
Okay. Have them there.
That's so nice.
Okay, good.
And big tall jack. And tall like the mule. Call them mere jack.
All right, guys.
When you get the mule them off of them, they know them big and tall.
And strong.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I am going to have my cane juice.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't get more natural than this. 100% Jamaican cane juice. Fresh from the mill. So I'm gonna have it right now, alright? Sorry I can't share with you, but perhaps another time. Alright, so right now guys, Mr. Boogs is catching the fire. Alright, what do you call this again?
The boiler.
The boiler.
Cup.
The copper boiler.
The boiler.
Boiler.
Underneath the boiler, you know?
Alright, let me see if I can capture that. So my viewers who can see up under the boiler there. Alright guys, this is up under the boiler, under the bottom here. This is interesting, eh? Alright, so the fire is catching the fire under. Yeah, put some more wood under there. Yes. And this is gonna be the fuel, obviously, to boil the sugar. As you can see right now, it's actually full, almost full. You're gonna put some more in there, or that's it?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so one more bucket or so.
Yeah, well, it's your mama.
Alright. Oh, so you're gonna put some more cane juice in the boiler, and it will boil for approximately 10 hours. According to Mr. Boogs, 10 hours. So guess what? We won't be here for 10 hours, but we're gonna capture it because we're gonna come back. I'm gonna come back for a part 2 to share with you. Another day, indeed. But this is it. This is again the real Jamaica, my friends. All right. Fire's catching up, guys. Fire's catching up. Yeah, more cane. So the boiler is literally right in the middle of the cane field. All right, so right around it is cane. There's an old copper here. Some of you might remember this, the old one here. So obviously this is not in use anymore, right, Sir Boogs?
Yeah, we take it mix on, like the mortar.
Okay.
Work on the building.
Okay. All right, Sir Boogs. One more question. There's a question, and it's a question I ask all my viewers, all my interviewees actually. The question is, in your mind, what makes Jamaica special? What do you think makes Jamaica special?
Yeah. Special?
Yes.
Yeah, it can't, man, because sugar have so many use and things.
Yeah.
Make rum, it make molasses, it make all different.
It's the sugar.
Yeah.
Okay,
you make it out of the sugar.
Yes. It's interesting you say that because that's your industry.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, sugar is what makes Jamaica special. Yeah. All right, guys, that's it.
Can't do without sugar.
No, we can't do without sugar. We can't do without sugar.
Like water.
Yes.
Great.
All right. Thank you. All right, well, there you go, guys. Mr. Boogs, the lone soldier, carrying on the 300-year tradition of converting cane into sugar, the old-time way. We have not seen the complete, the entire process. There's the part 2, where he's gonna boil the cane juice in the, what is it called again? In the copper, right? I'm gonna be back to share that aspect of it with you. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, that way you stay updated on all my new videos, including part 2, which will come later. All right, just in case, if you need to touch base with Mr. Boogs for whatever reason, I'm going to be placing his contact in the description below, so make sure you look out for that. And I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about all of this stuff? Share a comment down below. Thank you. Of part 2, the boiling process, converting it fully now from cane juice here, which is going to be boiled, into pure wet sugar, we call it. Look forward to that, guys. Look forward to that.